Hello. Today I will be covering some of ADEM's regulations pertaining to large quantity generators of hazardous waste. The topics I will cover in this presentation are hazardous waste determinations and what to do if I am included in the large quantity generator classification. Hazardous waste determinations. Any facility located in the state of Alabama must perform a hazardous waste determination on all solid waste they generate and maintain any supporting documents used to make these determinations for at least 3 years. This determination must be made at the point of waste generation. The facility may use generator process knowledge or analytical results to make these determinations. Generator or process knowledge may consist of information about a waste obtained from existing published waste analysis data or studies conducted on hazardous waste generated by processes that are identical or similar to those utilized in your facility's operations. Supporting documentation for this type of determination may include safety data sheets, thorough process descriptions, and information on all raw materials used in your facility's processes. You have the ultimate responsibility for any mismanagement of your facility's hazardous waste. Manufacturers and suppliers are only required to list constituents on an SDS that comprise 1% or more of the material. This level of information may not be adequate to determine the constituent levels in the waste to be characterized. For this reason, an SDS should merely be viewed as supporting documentation and not the sole means of documenting generator knowledge. Points of waste generation are determined by the facility based on their individual processes. Whenever material is deemed unusable or exits the original process, the facility must determine what is to happen with that material. If it is determined that the material is a waste and is to be disposed, the facility must, at this point, determine if the waste is hazardous. This slide shows pictures of different points of waste generation at different facilities. Piping and instrumentation diagrams are a good way to see points of waste generation in your facility's processes. The red arrow on this slide indicates the point of waste generation in this piping and instrumentation diagram. This is an example of how a facility might make a monthly hazardous waste determination. In month X, waste generated at point A is 1,500 kilograms and is determined to be hazardous through generator knowledge. The waste generated at point B is 750 kilograms and is determined to be hazardous through analysis. The waste generated at point C is 500 kilograms and is determined to be non-hazardous through product knowledge. The facility's month X hazardous waste generation is 2,250 kilograms. Therefore, the facility must notify as a large quantity generator of hazardous waste. The methods used to make these determinations must be kept as part of the facility's operating record for a period of 3 years. The large quantity generator classification. If your facility generates greater than or equal to 1,000 kilograms or 2,200 pounds of non-acute hazardous waste, or greater than 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds of acute hazardous waste during a calendar month, then you're classified as a large quantity generator of hazardous waste. You must maintain supporting documentation for this monthly generation determination at the facility as part of the operating record for at least 3 years from the date that determination is made. The large quantity generator notification. A large quantity generator must not treat, store, dispose of, transport, or offer for transportation hazardous waste without first receiving an EPA identification number from the department. An EPA identification number may be obtained by submitting ADM Form 8712 and the appropriate fees to the department. After obtaining an EPA identification number, a large quantity generator must submit annual notifications to the department by the 15th day of the specified month for the county in which their facility is located. This is the 8700-12 annual submission schedule found in Division 1 of the ADM Administrative Code. Please find the county in which your facility is located on the left-hand side of the chart. Scroll to the right and you will find the month in which you must submit ADM Form 8712 and the appropriate fees to the department. Thank you for listening to this large quantity generator presentation. Fact sheets and other information regarding hazardous waste topics, including the ones discussed here today, may be found by following these links, or you may contact the Industrial Hazardous Waste Branch via telephone at 334-270-5637. Thank you and have a good day.